The tensions at the line of actual control between India and China have been simmering since the clash at Galwan Valley when soldiers on both sides lost their lives in a skirmish. Efforts to resolve the border standoff along a disputed and unmarked territory have been underway since May, though they haven't made much headway since July. PLA troops once again on 29th to 30th August engaged in a border violation but were thwarted by Indian soldiers. While military and diplomatic talks have been underway for months, in the backdrop of these recent developments, the Chinese Defense Minister has now sought a meeting with Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on the sidelines of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization gathering of defense ministers in Moscow. Media reports said that on Thursday night, South Bloc gave the go-ahead for Singh's meeting with his Chinese counterpart, hoping it leads to early and complete disengagement as well as de-escalation along the line of actual control. Meanwhile, on Thursday, Army Chief General M.M. Naravne visited forward areas in eastern Ladakh to review operational preparedness. India has already reinforced its troops at Ladakh for any eventuality. On the same day, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat said at the US-India Strategic Partnership Forum conclave that India needs to be prepared for a two-front war, as China and Pakistan have been collaborating militarily, economically and diplomatically. At the same time, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, responding to a question, said that the solution to the LAC issue has to be found in diplomacy. He will also head to Moscow for a meeting of the SCO foreign ministers on September 9th, where the Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi will also be present.